Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome. And I have this knee brace by the brand COMFYTEMP. If you remember COMFYTEMP, this is it at the moment. I showed you all the heating pad that is really, really nice, well worth the money, very, very nice item. And this is another item from them. This is the heated knee brace wrap for your knee pain. And it also can go on your elbow, and then you would use this strap to wrap it around your elbow. So it works for different joints. It's great for arthritis, for joint pain, for your legs, for your elbows, for your shoulder. It's wonderful, and it's cordless. It's cordless heat and massage when and where you need it. COMFYTEMP rechargeable knee heating pad. It's powered by this battery, and this battery hooks up to your USB port. It has a little plug, like this plug is like the plug that you would use for an Android phone. And then there's also, there's several different ports. So it can be charged with different chargers that you have, like for your phone and your computer, and then also with the USB port. So that's very, very handy. And then you take this battery pack and you put it right here. It attaches to this USB right here. Whoops. Like that. And then it slips into this pocket. And then it vibrates and it heats. But let me tell you a little bit about it first. It's safe and portable. It's equipped with a 5-volt low voltage rechargeable battery to provide safe and stable heat, therapy, and massage for your pain relief. Easy to carry and operate, and the portable heating pad could run up to 3 hours on a full charge. Like I said, it has heat and it has massage. And it is, instead of staying near the outlet, it's portable. So you can move around with this. You could take this outside. You could have this while you're in the car. And there's 3 adjustable heat and vibration settings. And it's very soft fabric. And a lot of this, you can see a lot of these pieces are Velcro. See, all right, like this extension has this Velcro. It's very fine Velcro. And then where you attach it to, it can go on here, it can go on here, different sides. It sticks to this fabric very, very nicely. And it's super soft and easy to take care of. And it's adjustable because this strap can go around you with these other pieces, and you can adjust it to fit depending on, you know, how big or how small you might be. And when you have the battery pack in, here are your controls, okay? And you press and hold these buttons. There, see that goes on. That's the massage. And that's the vibrate. And then it goes into different, maybe, yeah, there. It goes into different modes. I'm going to turn that off because that gets loud. At least it's loud for me. But this, then you can have different temperatures. And they do suggest always start at the lowest temperature first. See how it's green and then purple and then red. So, and then you can have them on at the same time, or just the massage or just the heat, whichever works best for you. So it's very, very nice because, like I said, this can hold a charge for a good few hours. So that is the heated knee massager. That's what it looks like on your knee. And like I said, it's just lightweight, and it's, if you were to spill or anything on it, very easy to clean. So thank you so much to COMFYTEMP for sending this to me. And like I said, if you, these just are wonderful products for Christmas time, especially, you know, I'm thinking of like my dad when I see this kind of thing, and also with the gentleman on the cover, and the heating pad. These are great for the season, for, you know, our aches and pains of winter, and also just taking care of our family, and also make wonderful Christmas gifts. So I'll have all the links below for what you need for COMFYTEMP. And the link to this, I'll also put in the link to the heating pad. If you didn't see that video, I'll put that video in there as well. And thanks for stopping by, y'all, and count your blessings. Bye-bye.